Hello everyone, my name is Bhavika and I am a software developer by profession, but I also like fashion, I like makeup, and I like to just be myself. I like to be the main character of my story, and that's nothing wrong in that, right? So here's the YouTube channel where I would like to post everything other than work. So yeah, stay tuned for the videos. So for this video we are going to do a Nykaa haul. Recently Hot Pink sale was going on, and at the last minute I ordered few things, so just wanted to share them with you. Nothing fancy, all of them are basically the required things that we need as a general women. So yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, so here's everything that I've ordered. It's a big box, though everything is not being delivered yet, so we'll include other products in some other video maybe. So for now, let me just give you a quick snap. First of all, I have ordered this facial razors, which are like very essential for every woman to just, when you're getting late and you see tiny hairs out there, so it's very convenient to use them for your purpose. Yeah. So, and it doesn't give really thick hair, so it's like normal, it's fine, you can use them. There's everything around this is a myth, because this is the most, you don't get to feel a lot of pain that you see when you're using those waxing strips or getting threading over there, right? So I have got very sensitive skin and I got rashes all over my body when I do something on my body, or around my forehead when I get threading or waxing. So this is like the most convenient option for me. So yeah, a big thumbs up to it. Then we have got this nose strips, deep purifying nose strips. I have never tried this, so we'll try them and let you know how it works. So like I have also got blackheads, just for the record, so we'll review this and let you guys know. To be honest, Nykaa doesn't give a lot of discount in Hot Pink sale when you're ordering stuff from other brands, right? Then we have this Derma Coca sunscreen. So I've not got offer in any of these products. The offer is still same, and another sale is also being started over there. So the whole sale thing is just a hawa. Okay, you don't get really discounted prices on everything. So yeah, but on the products which are associated with Nykaa, like I have got few good deals as well, I would say. So yeah, the products which are in-house for Nykaa, they give good discounts on them. So yeah, those things you can definitely order from the sale. Apart from that, you can order anytime, it would be same. There won't be much difference for those products. Sorry. Then we have this moisturizer from Neutrogena. This is really good. This is gel based and it gives freshness and hydration as well, because my skin is very like it's a mix, it's a combination. So sometimes it feels very oily, and at that time it works like magic, heaven. So both of these are like very good combo. You can try, like the best combination ever. So yeah, everybody should try this with who are having sensitive skin. Then we are having this perfume. I know I'm late to the party, but I've heard that this is very good. This is from Bath and Body. No, this is from Plum, sorry. Yeah, this has been like on my feed since a year maybe. I always wanted to buy it, but I was not sure. Should I invest 600 in this tiny bottle or not? Because it wasn't like trusted. But one of my friends said it's very good. And it smells good. Let me just... Okay, it's good, it's fresh, it's vanilla, and it's vanilla only. So yeah, it feels fresh, to be honest. So it's a good thing, I would say. Yeah, so everybody should at least get a hit on it. Then we have got an eyeliner. One of my friend does very good makeup, so she did eyeliner on my face once. So I asked, which eyeliner are you using, because I am very like terrible at applying this, but she said that this works very well and you can like easily apply it on your face. So I said okay, let me try it as well. So I just ordered it, and will show you in some other video maybe how it worked for me, for a person who doesn't know how to apply eyeliner. Okay, then we have this palette. This is the thing that I ordered from Nykaa itself. So this I was talking about, this was on a good deal which costed me like a few bucks lesser on sale. So this you can order. Apart from that, everything you can order irrespective of the sale. Alright, so this is the eyeshadow palette that I wanted to try from Nykaa, because it have like all the smoky eyes colors. So yeah, I wanted to try them. Let me just have a swatch. I'm not very good at makeup, but I like makeup. Okay, I like exploring. Oh my, but the pigmentation is like very good. I applied it like, can you see? You can't see. Let me just show it this way. Yeah, so like it's very easy applicator, but the applicator seems to be in a bad condition. See, let me just focus on this. See, it's not in a good condition. So I'll raise a request for exchange. Yeah, so this applicator is not in a good condition. So does this palette. Like the place where we keep stick doesn't seem to be in a good condition. Okay, no issues, they'll resolve it for sure, and they showed. Okay, oh my god, I am loving the colors. They are having such a good application. Okay, so it's a good palette. Okay, the main thing is about the colors. Okay, so you can like create all the dark eye looks whichever you want to. So yeah, that was the palette. It's good, one should give, and it's very affordable, to be honest. Everything I ordered, all are in affordable ranges. Okay, so like I don't like to spend a lot of money on the things that I'm not going to use every day. These are the things that I use every single day. Okay, so everything is affordable in a very like good deal. So yeah, everybody should give it a try. And yeah, that's about it. I'll show you all other products in the next video maybe, or somewhere else, but yeah, for now that's about it. Thank you so much for watching my video, and see you guys soon.